Okay, I'm going to show you how to perform a smart search. Smart search allows the DVR to find the recording that you're looking for without you having to spend a whole lot of time looking for the recording. So you want to click Menu, you want to go back up to Playback, and you want to choose Smart. Now once you're in Playback, you can always change from Smart to Normal to Event, but we're in the Smart Search settings. So here you want to choose your camera on the right hand side. You want to pick which camera that you'd like to apply the Smart Search feature to. So it pulls up this camera here, and we're going to go back and we're going to choose a date. We'll just pick this date. Okay, so now there's a couple of options over here. We can draw a line, we can draw a quadrilateral, we can draw a rectangle, or we can do full motion on the full screen. So if we do a whole search of the whole screen, this particular camera, when we click search, it comes up with a lot of little green dashes, and all these little green dashes are all activity. But this camera also sees some traffic on the street out here. So some of this video that we're looking at may end up being people that are actually on the street, cars moving down the street, and that's the reason why we're picking that up. So that's really too much for us. So we'd like to define this a little bit. So let's go ahead and clear that setting. And what you want to do, I need to stop it. Choose our side camera, choose the 25th, and now we want to draw a rectangle, and we're going to get over here to the side where we just want to see if we find someone passing through the yard on this side here, and we're just going to draw a box, and we're going to try to eliminate all that traffic out there on the street. So now when we click search, it cleaned up all of our little green dashes down to only a few. So now it's a little easier for us to go through, and we can use our little arrows here on the end, and we can go next, next, and we can just look at these little green dots individually until we see if any of these are what we're looking for. And as you can see, each one is showing someone in the box or motion or movement in the activity box that we drew. Okay, so that's how you do a smart search. And if you want to clear the settings off the screen, then you can do that by simply just either clicking stop or clicking the clear button. So if you set up for full screen, you can just hit clear all, and you can go back and choose something else. And if that's not good enough for you, you can hit clear, and you can even draw your box. Just put your dots, and it will simply fill in your box for you, and then you can do a search this way. So there's a couple different ways you can set up your searches for Smart Search, but Smart Search will help you find your information much quicker, much faster.